job, Kim.
Sorry kanina.
Alright.
One, two. Too much. You open siya. Two. And ito. And ito may two pasol. Yan. Ayun mo siya.
Pag-post. Parang pinipod. Diretso po. Close to the skin. Okay?
So, close that side. So,
One, two, three.
yun. Mama,
Tulog mo sa bahay.
so eto tayo. You go back,
Go back.
back, side, close side. Then, paano sa 8 kami.
Kailan ka ito?
Opo.
Tapos,
Tayo.
Eh, wait lang. Pahiram na. Pahiram.
side, close. Very end. Then, back, side. Close, side. Na, kasi na siya. Then, pagka i-release mo siya, go, open na siya, and you go forward mo lang to, and back facing, back. And go. Two. And close side ka ngayon. Close. Hindi, close. Side. 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 Step sideward. Step to the side. Let's put to the side. Close. Then step up. So, and one, two. Close. Yeah. Eh, hindi, ano lang, side lang siya. Yeah. And then, gawin mo yung kanina. And move. Close. Close the leg. Yeah. Side. Yeah. Yeah. Up. Yeah. Tapos step. Dito. Side. Hindi, kanina. Yeah. Then step forward. And diyan ka lang. Pabayaan mo siyang mag-close dito. Then go. Release. Basic ulit. Close.
Close.
Ha?